good afternoon. Here I am in Danga Bay, which is very interestingly dilapidated funfair area with nothing going on. And I'm here to meet Ollie Odyssey. He's a fellow vlogger, and he took pity on my plight, because if you watch the last vlog, you will see how I lost my drone. So he's going to he's going to show me his drone and let me have a fly of it and see if it's the one I want. Now then, let's see where I'm going. Actually, yes, I'm going to have a go at a Mavic Mini, or is it a Mavic Pro? I think it's a Mavic Pro that he's got. So we're going to play with that. Maybe, if the rain doesn't stop play.
Turn right.
And if I can find the damn place.
Turn right.
Ah, here we go. We've got to go right. So, Ollie is a local vlogger, and he does a lot of diving, so he's a very sort of active fellow. Whereas us ancients do more sedate things like look at history and the like, whereas he cavorts around beaches with young ladies in very brief bikinis. He's also got a lot of tattoos. I think I'll get some tattoos, and I wouldn't mind getting a few of those young women in brief bikinis, though I suspect my wife would be most annoyed with me if I did, and probably because I'm 100 years old, all the feminists would be out as well, and that includes my wife, ultra feminist. So I'm used to this sort of thing. But there you go, I'm rambling. So let's see where we are. Let's turn this around. Is that him coming along there? I don't know which direction he's going to come in. This place is a bit of a weird and not particularly wonderful area. It's supposed to be a big building estate, but it's one that never quite took off, and so you're left with this. I'll show you. There's a big luxury housing estate is supposed to be here, with all the swimming pools and beachfronts and what have you, but it's like this, and has been at least for the past 6 years. And there's a lot of rain coming my way, and it's beginning to rain, so I'm going to stand under the shade. Now then, being a 16-year-old who's locked in the body of a 68-year-old, I'm a little bit envious of him and his beach lifestyle, beach party lifestyle, and I can see why he gets more hits on his site than I do. But I suspect that if I manage to get all the accoutrements that he has, the tattoos and the young ladies, people would say, oh goodness me, what a strange and fantasy world that old geezer must live in. Those people must be after him for his money, because it certainly isn't for his looks or personality. Oh, I'm sure it's my personality actually, but here he comes in the rain. Just in time for the rain.
Not particularly the best kind of weather to be vlogging, so we've been flying a drone in.
Vlogging,
fine.
yes. Flying a drone right this moment. No, it will get hit by lightning probably.
Yeah, but we can get out and have a look
Yeah.
anyway.
Well, how are you?
Not too bad, how are you?
I'm fine. I've even brought a mask along. Shows you I've willingness.
I did the same.
Yeah,
My wife threw it in the car and told me, she goes,
yeah.
take your mask with you.
that's right. We're doing socially distanced vlogging. Right. So oh right, you're going to get the kit out now.
Yeah, so I actually bought some new ND filters for the drone, and I forgot to put them back in the safety case.
Yes, they're a pain for that. This needs ND filters all the time as well.
Yeah, so I actually swapped this drone for my Mini with a friend of mine, because he wanted the Mini and I wanted the Mavic Pro, so we just did a straight swap. So I kind of
right. I'm just
there.
I'm looking at the size. Oh, that's not bad.
No, not at all.
No, because I was thinking the Mini, the beauty of the Mini is it's just so much smaller. My Parrot was in a big case like this.
Did it fold? And
it didn't fold.
So that's what's good about this, it folds.
Yeah.
Which is great. So that's the battery.
And it's got all the avoidance system in there.
So it's got sensors on the bottom, on the front. The back doesn't have sensors actually, but it's a wonderful piece of equipment. And then the best part about it is that normally the whole thing will normally fit in this. When that's folded up, that'll go in there. But I prefer the hard case because it sort of keeps it. Actually, I'll do that. It's not terrible. And the control's obviously tiny.
Yeah.
Which is fantastic, really.
Can you see? Does it have, you know, what do they call
so
it?
your phone goes into here.
Oh, right.
And the screen's on your phone there.
Yeah.
So we'll
Does it do the FPV? What's it called? I don't know.
I think, and I don't know. I don't think it does with the FPV. The different modes it has. But I want to get a nice shot of me driving along the beach. Select the car, and it'll just follow me, and it'll avoid everything. Basically, so that's what happened to me the other day when I was shooting.
It's always good to have two sets.
It's like time on and now it's called realistic.
10 minutes out, 10 minutes back.
Yeah, so
Oh wow, a hand landing, yeah.